Andragogy is a learning theory that focuses on the education and learning strategies tailored to adults, emphasizing the unique characteristics and needs of adult learners. The concept was developed by Malcolm Knowles in the 1960s as a response to the traditional pedagogical approaches, which were primarily designed for children and adolescents. At the core of andragogy are several fundamental assumptions about adult learners. Firstly, adults are self-directed and autonomous in their learning pursuits. They prefer to take responsibility for their own learning process and engage in education when it aligns with their personal goals and interests. Secondly, adults draw on their life experiences and existing knowledge to comprehend new information and build connections between old and new learning. Thirdly, they have a strong need to apply their learning immediately to real-life situations, making practicality an essential aspect of their educational experiences. Lastly, adults are motivated to learn by intrinsic factors such as relevancy, self-esteem, and self-actualization. To facilitate effective adult learning, Andragogy suggests a set of guiding principles. First and foremost is the principle of relevancy. Adult learners are more engaged and motivated when they can immediately see the practical application of the knowledge being presented. Therefore, instructors should link the learning content to the learner's goals and experiences, fostering a more meaningful learning experience. Secondly, Andragogy emphasizes that adults have accumulated a wealth of knowledge and life experiences. As a result, it is essential to tap into these prior experiences to foster meaningful learning. Facilitators should encourage active participation and create opportunities for learners to share their insights, contributing to a collaborative and enriching learning environment. Furthermore, adult learners prefer a problem-centered and task-oriented approach to learning. They are more motivated to learn when presented with real-life challenges that require them to apply newly acquired knowledge and skills. By incorporating problem-solving exercises, case studies, and simulations, instructors can create a dynamic learning environment that fosters critical thinking and decision-making. In addition, Andragogy emphasizes the importance of offering learners autonomy and control over their learning process. This means allowing them to set their learning goals, choose the learning methods that suit them best, and progress at their own pace. Encouraging self-directed learning helps adults take ownership of their education and builds intrinsic motivation. Another critical principle is the recognition of the role of experience. Adult learners benefit from opportunities to reflect on their experiences, extracting insights and connecting them to new information. Reflection and feedback are essential components of the learning process, facilitating deeper comprehension and long-term retention. In conclusion, Andragogy is a learning theory that highlights the distinct characteristics and preferences of adult learners. By recognizing their self-directedness, drawing on their prior experiences, emphasizing relevancy, and promoting problem-centered learning, instructors can create effective educational experiences for adult learners. Implementing the principles of Andragogy encourages learners to be actively engaged in their learning journey, resulting in more meaningful and applicable knowledge acquisition.